Hello, my name is John LaCroix. If you're interested in purchasing any of my oil paintings, you can go on eBay and type in John LaCroix. There you will find a website to all my paintings and other products that I'm selling. What I got going on here today is I thought maybe I'd do a Seagulls, a beat scene, but a closer one. I kind of got it sketched out right here. So that's where we're at. So let's start putting in some water, maybe some waves. Maybe down here. Use liquid white. Maybe we'll make it right along this tape line. A light gray. We'll add some dark color on there, on the tips. On the tips of the wing. We'll put one like that. Maybe we'll have something coming down here. I also like putting the year in. The year it was painted. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you paint along with me and I hope to see you again. Bye.